Our Track TT project is a robot that runs on wheels that moves along on a track. We timed how long it took for the Track TT to complete a full lap, and it was 26 seconds, with the wheels losing traction. If the wheels didn't spin out of the track, it would have finished faster and wouldn't have taken long to complete a full lap. The Track TT uses a breadboard circuit that links an Arduino Nano to motors, sensors, and other connecting components on the breadboard. The way it worked was the sensors send out a signal that is either on or off that allows current to flow to the motors, which then allows the wheels to move.
This is our Track TT project. As Sammy explained, we use sensors and a breadboard that was given by the school. The power being supplied is by an 8-volt battery pack going to DC motors. DC meaning it only goes in one way, the current doesn't change. So like if it were to get reversed, so like if the negative became the positive terminal, it's gonna reverse, it's gonna go the other way. And we also use a Arduino Nano that is sending out signals to the MOSFETs, and the MOSFETs, they're sending out signals, electricity, current, all those stuff. They're going down into the motor, and the motor spins the wheel. And once a sensor detects a bend coming in, so let's say bend's like this, bend is like, boom, there's a bend, we're going like this, right? It's coming here, but it's going this way, so it's coming out like that. This sensor comes off, so then this sensor turns off this wheel, so then this wheel can catch up going this way, going to the next bend, and so on and so forth. And our Track TT didn't have the most amount of grip, so if we just fixed the grip, it would have been a lot better. Would have made our times a lot easier, would have made our times a lot faster. For the code, we used a Arduino IDE app that uses C++ as coding, and we used our sensors as analog sensors. So like, for example, our left one is our A1, and then our right one is our A2, and analogs, they give in input. We used a lot of else-ifs codes for all the different combinations. Combinations would be both sensors on, it goes straight, both sensors off, it will stop. Left sensor on, it's gonna go this way, right sensor on, it's gonna go to the right. And yeah, that sums up our whole Track TT. We got a total of 26 seconds, and that could have been easily fixed if we just added more grip. And boom.